In this video, I'm going to show you how to refund games on Steam. So Valve, which is the developer of Steam, will upon request via help.steampowered.com issue a refund for any title that is requested within 14 days of purchase and has been played for less than 2 hours by you, okay? So even if you fall outside of the refund rules they have described, you can submit a request and they will take a look at it, okay? So I've copied this text from their official website and this is legit. Now, the way you do this is by going to help.steampowered.com. You can type that into Google, or the other way around is to simply be inside your Steam app, go up here to where it says Help, click Steam Support, and there we go. It's help.steampowered.com. As you can see, you can copy this or simply proceed in here, okay? Now, once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to click on Purchases once you are in there. And then once you're inside Purchases, you want to click on where it says, what do you need help with? You want to click a purchase, okay? So once you've done that, you have to find the purchase you would like to refund and click on it. Now, if your purchase is not listed, it falls too far outside of refund window and is ineligible, so it's not eligible for a refund. Now, you have to then select the game, as I said, and then you want to select the problem you're having with the product. So, again, over here, there's many more options, as you can see. You can do either I purchased this by accident or gameplay or technical issue, so you can just select which one you're having. And then you wanna, when you go to the next page, you wanna click I'd like to request a refund, which is over here, as you can see. And then you have to fill out and submit the requested form. You have to click the drop-down menu to select the Steam wallet or the original payment. So it will look something like this. You want to click over here where it says request a refund, and it's a drop-down menu. And you want to click if you want to, again, refund to your Steam wallet or to the original form of payment. Then what you want to do is, of course, the reason is already in, and if you have any notes, you can simply type in the notes, and that's it. And after you've done that, you want to click Submit Request, and you should receive a confirmation email that your request was successfully submitted. And that's how you refund a game on Steam.